Welcome to another RES Wave update. So in this video, we're looking at the Dow Jones, and I'm just going to give you an update on the waves as they progress in this C wave. Now, as you can see, I've drawn in like a wedge shape, which can possibly, be some kind of guide, but it's not actually using any meaningful waves, as this is a expanded correction. So to me, the only way to really gauge this is to measure the wave C, and also to sort of understand that it's a 5-wave move, and we need to see 5 waves up before this thing is completed. Okay, so just to draw a comparison with the previous zigzag that we saw, the previous zigzag wasn't an expanded one. It was basically just a standard zigzag, and I'll just copy these labels over there just to illustrate where the A, the B, and the C actually ended in the previous move. So this is the labeling for the previous B wave. Now, obviously this is an expanding correction. So the B wave here, it was right before, the the crisis occurred last year, and the C wave was a little bit shorter than the A wave, and I do believe this was because of what was going on at the time, etc. Couldn't have been avoided, to be honest, and that's just the way I see it. So we saw the C wave fall just a little bit shorter than the target, which was just a little bit higher. But either way, it was a zigzag. So then we saw the sharp move down for wave C. And at the moment, if you draw the comparison here, wave A target from B is the green line at 37,000 roughly, and we're still on the way. So obviously you can see that the slope has changed. The A wave was sharp and the C wave has started to slope. Now this channel is meaningful. The channel is taken from A to E, the A wave to the E wave. And basically the top of it is to the top of A wave. So it's just created this channel. You can see how it's interacted with that channel, and it's basically trading within the lower part of the channel at the moment, and I believe it'll stay, more than likely it'll stay within that channel as we progress, as we head toward that top there, which should be, in my opinion, around July, August. So not much time left in this D wave, in my opinion, but it can start to get fairly choppy. So at the end of the day, it may, be similar to this wave here. Like when you compare how many days it took for A wave to occur, it's roughly about 126 days versus the C wave, which took, it was actually less in hindsight. Given that that's the correct wave count, the B wave may have ended earlier. I'm just going to leave it as is. And like I said to you before, it did end earlier due to what was going on at the time. So a fairly regular zigzag. This one here, you can see that compared to A was super quick, and this one's already much longer than A wave. So I do believe that this one there's a lot of pressure, downward pressure in the market, and it's going to keep going until it completes its pattern. Okay. Will it be shorter than A? You never know, potentially, but we need to count 5 waves up before we can, make any type of guess when it comes to will it be shorter. We don't know. But all in all, this is progressing as I thought it would, catching this low down here in this area around 31,000. We're still up a few thousand points there in profits. So just, it's going to take longer, obviously, to get to the target, but what can you do? This is just the way it is when you follow the waves and you trade them. Okay, so that's basically it in a nutshell for what's happening with the D wave. Yeah, I see this continuing higher, and yeah, there's basically nothing more to say on that one. I'll link the related ideas below so you can see what I think is going to happen moving forward for not only the Dow Jones but the Nasdaq also. So hopefully you found this video interesting and informative. Thank you for watching.